It's been about 2 months now, and little by little we feel that the progress of integrating him into the group is progressing gradually. At first he was constantly holding on to a plush orangutan toy, and there were moments when he seemed frightened of his surroundings. But very recently, he has started to actively approach the other monkeys on his own, trying to communicate with them, and actually playing together with them. We've been seeing many more scenes like that, and as caretakers, we find that very encouraging.
I guess it's a sign of him growing up, or maybe he's becoming more independent. But I was kind of looking forward to seeing Punch with the plush toy, so that's a little disappointing.